Today is a beautiful weather. Last time we came down, it was raining. We just went to a brew town. It's in Wellington. It was like a fire alarm went off like 5 in the morning. This must be like a school nearby, like a boarding school. There was 3 fire trucks that turned up there yesterday. And if you can see, here's this, oh you can't, you could see there's a giant fire school on top of that hill right in front of us. And we will probably go to there today, but we went to the beach yesterday and it was kind of good. There was like 20 million dogs there, and yeah, so hope you guys have the best rest of your holidays, and see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe.